it was a very good workshop. It's very organized and the information was very well presented. The expert taught in a very clear and a coherent manner. It was very easy to comprehend. So anybody starting from the very, a person who has general knowledge about it and a person who is even a practitioner would acquire a lot of practical knowledge from it. So there are issues that we face in the, in the court and evidence which are not very clear and which was very, very simplifiedly taught and but with precision and detail. So it was amazing, wonderful workshop, and I was very, happy to be a part of this workshop.
I was able to understand the differences between how a forensic science is and also the difference between a science. And I were to come up with a conclusion that forensic science is basically talking with the dead, because obviously the dead won't be able to speak for themselves. So the forensics helps them to speak on how they died, when they died, where they died. So I feel like in my future as a lawyer, I think forensic will be a huge impact on me as if I want to be a prosecutor one day, maybe, because they basically mostly focuses on the criminal aspect. So I feel like forensic science is very important for also for basic knowledge.
So I would rate this workshop 10. Okay, I give 10. Why? Because I think law students got new knowledge, and even though this forensic area is new, they have included very informative areas like fingerprinting and how to collect evidences, right? And the importance of protecting the crime scene and a lot of other things. These are just a few I am highlighting.
Paragira Maluma thing and the workshop and make a current name the Varagina Chitangon me and a crime scene Kandataka legally for Enja Hurakantaka Uriakamaki and a Kulifa Kanaka, a current name.